Hey guys and girls, welcome back to another beautiful video on this beautiful channel. It's a beautiful day. It's a nice day out here, and I gotta apologize per usual because when games get good or get big, not good, big, there's a bunch of problems and there's a bunch of stuff that you do that you regret, and I dearly or greatly regret what I have done with the background solution, because this thing is not gonna work because of our column row type drawing. And it's a good way to draw, it's a really efficient way to draw, but it's not gonna let us do this. So I'm gonna just go ahead and tell you guys what we're gonna do. We're gonna have our background tiles, but we're gonna draw them just per regular. It won't matter, nothing matters, we'll just draw them like this. And we will not I mean, it's just one for loop, so it doesn't matter. It won't move. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do this just for now. The regular background we're gonna set later, and that background is gonna be maximum the size of our screen. Alright, it's gonna be one big picture that we can save or we'll make externally and we'll load into the game. That's what we're gonna do, and we're just gonna remove all of this stuff because this isn't needed, and we'll keep this because that's cool. We need that. And then just tiles, index calculations. So we'll do that. All right, we'll do this. Don't hate me now. Don't hate me. We won't have to upgrade the background like this. All right, we're not gonna do this. We're just gonna do this. This is all we're gonna do. We're not gonna do anything else. Now I don't want to go through them twice. So that's a big issue. I want to have one function called UpdateDraw. Update and draw. You know, because it's kind of I don't know. We'll keep it like this. There isn't much to update, so I don't want to have to go through these. So let's just remove this right now. All right, let's just remove that. We will update the background. We don't have to update the background either. Let's just do this. Bam, bam. Okay, let's just do that. I'm sorry about everything that I put you guys through, but we're gonna clean this up, and I'm just gonna have my backgrounds, and scroll speed is fine. Background render texture is gone. We'll keep background 1 and 2. We'll keep those. We'll keep those. We'll do that. And let's see. What we could do, though, guys and girls, is try something. Now, I always try shit and it doesn't work out, but we can still do it. Let's see. Background tiles, set color. That's good. That's good. We need that. What the hell did I just do? Okay, that's good. We don't draw it anywhere. We don't do anything else. Tiles, background tiles, resize, clear. That's good. Scroll speed and stuff. It's gonna be fine. Let's close that. Save is fine. Update background update. So we could do this. Everything that is in the view could do this. I'm just gonna try this. All right, guys. I'm just gonna try this. I'm not gonna do anything more than that. What is this? Update view. Okay, dot update. Whoa. Okay, update. No, that's fine. DT and DT. Update. Good Lord have mercy. Update. DT. If we had one function called update and draw, that would be a lot better. But we split it up because it's not good because we have to go through all of those again. It's a lot of tiles though. It's a lot of tiles. That's a lot of tiles to go through one more time. But if we want to update them, I mean, we could just do this. Everything within the view center. This. Wait. do that, and then let's do the index thing here again. Unsigned I, no, row, unsigned column. Let's do this. I don't have to calculate this again, so I'm just going to remove this, and then just remove these as well. Row, column, row, column, and then I'm going to say move. I'm just going to try this. That's all I'm going to do. That's all I'm going to do. Now we're moving the screen with a certain scroll speed. So wait, is it this? Scroll speed divided by 2, 0. That's all we're doing. And this isn't going to work, but at least I'll try. And you guys can skip forward to see if this works or not. I'm just going to try this and have it on tape. And then I'm going to just this update background DTIK. So let's see. I mean, that's all we're gonna do. There isn't much more than this. I have my background the way I want it to be, and it's moving forward with me, but there should start being issues here because of the column. Yeah, that's exactly what's happening. That's exactly what's happening. That's exactly what's happening. And that is why this isn't gonna work. But why is it, wait, yeah, well, it's drawing over there, so drawing over there, and it's not gonna, well, I do have my view center to here. I'm moving them, so that's probably why that's not working. View center. Yeah, I'm moving all of those. So it goes from column to column. But if I don't move that, it won't be a problem. So I'm not going to move them. I'm just going to update the tiles. We're doing a lot of operations for nothing, so I'm probably just going to close that update thing. This looks good. This is how it's supposed to be. I mean, those are background tiles, so that's good. We'll draw them after or before here. Whoops, what the hell did I do? That wasn't in vain, because we saw what happened. So tiles, update background, whatever. Right now we're not updating anything. I mean, I could draw, because I don't want to go through those twice, but for now we're not updating anything, so I'm just gonna comment that out. Don't need a bunch of extra stuff happening. And then we have this going just like that. Why is that happening? Because I did it on the wrong one, per usual. So now our background is fine. Okay, guys and girls, don't worry about it. We're fine with the background. I want to work on the enemy spawner thing. See how the background is? It's fine. We'll keep like this. We'll keep like this. Then we can make our own little background with the tiles. That's good. What are we going to do now? We are going to go into enemy spawner. Go into stage. Whoops. Stage.h. And we do have background tiles. Scroll speed. The array of enemy spawners. Okay, so the thing is, we need to do it in the same way as tile array. Could be an enemy spawner tile. We need to do it in the same way as tile array. So we can add a tile here. Now I have to see how tile array works. Tile array, it's always a T, so we're good. When we add, it doesn't have to be a tile, it can be anything, and it's gonna be processed just like this. Now here we go, new tile. New tile. What if I do new T here? Let me just do that. Initialize. I'm gonna try to make this as dynamic and reusable as possible. Looks fine to me. I mean, we're using T instead of tile, so I can put in anything in here. Pretty sure. And it is a tile, so tile array is good. Tile array is good. Stage, tile array, enemy spawners. Now, I should be able to add enemy spawners. Where's an enemy spawner? Enemy spawner. .h. Put that here. Enemy spawner.cpp. Put it here. And I had the position, type, level interval, number of enemies, spawn timer max. We have a bunch of stuff here. That's good. Update void enemy spawner draw. We could draw those out if we wanted to. It's not going to be view, it's going to be target. Render target. Yes, I will change that name. Draw. So target dot draw, and then we could actually just have a sprite here. Sprite, which keeps the position. Sprite. So that's good. Sprite. Let's set position. And then draw this sprite. But it doesn't have a texture, so it'll probably just come out white. That's okay, we can set a texture for that later if we want. Update is fine. Is in screen. Spawn. Update timer, whatever, we'll figure all this out later. First we're gonna be able to save these and add these to our stage. So as we draw, we're gonna go through background tiles. This is gonna be enemy spawners is null. Okay, so we're gonna draw. Same thing for update. I'm just gonna do this. Enemy spawners. Just do that in case. Now load and save is where we're gonna have an issue. So when we load, I resize and clear enemy spawners as well. Enemy spawners, resize and clear. I do the same thing here. Add a bunch of those spawners, and then background tiles. Just copy paste this. Add this. Enemy spawners. I'll just do this. Remove that. Remove this. Enemy spawners. And just remove that. There we go. There we go. Now I will just make that into comments. And then that's good. Forgot something. Forgot the enemy spawner stage size X here. And I forgot to put enemy spawners push stage size Y here, so we initialize it. And then when we run the game, check for some errors, just to make sure we're set for the next video. Like I said, everything works. Alright, cool. I will draw those out and we don't have any issues. And we have the shield. Okay, cool. We staged something for the next video where we're gonna fix the saving and the loading, and then we're gonna make sure we can put in any spawners and we can load them and then have them work. So thanks for watching. Sorry about slow video again. These videos are just kind of the last, just to finish off the game, so we're gonna be polishing a little bit and stuff. But thanks for watching again. Take care, keep learning, and I'll see you in the next one. Right, bye bye.